Good afternoon, it's Ryan from Kingsbridge Performance and 4x4. Today we have the stunning Mercedes GLC in front of me, finished in Selenite Grey, which is actually a £685 optional extra from Mercedes. It's also got this side running boards as well, which is a £485 optional extra from Mercedes. This car is a two-owner car from new with full Mercedes-Benz service history. Really not one to be missed. As you can see, it's also specced with the 20-inch multi-spoke alloys, finished in gloss black and diamond cut. I think it looks absolutely fantastic against the grey paint. Also, this car is the night edition. It's got the night pack on there. You can see at the bottom here, it does have the black surrounds around the grille, the black mirrors, and also black all around the windows, which I'll run around as we get to them. So this car is specced with the front parking sensors, obviously the 20-inch diamond cut alloys, which are in fantastic condition, with the drilled discs behind, so you've got the sports brakes behind for ultimate stopping. So running around, the black pack, the night pack, as I should say, consists of the black mirrors, and obviously the black surrounds around the mirrors, around the windows. These would normally be chrome. Really, really nice. Coming down to the rear wheel now, just giving you a bit of a closer look that these wheels are in fantastic condition with no curb marks. Obviously it does have the rear parking sensors as well, and it's got the two chrome exhaust tips down here. This is a 4Matic, so it is a four-wheel drive Mercedes. Great when we live in England, because obviously we don't have the best weather. We end up getting quite a lot of rain and snow and ice. So this, in the boot, is equipped with a tornado cover, that's called, / parcel shelf. And under the boot floor, it also has the tyre inflation kit and has all the warning triangle and medical first aid kit. In the unfortunate event you are stuck at the side of the road with a flat tyre, or if you have had a bump or a breakdown, you have all the relevant things you need in the boot, which is good. Obviously this car is also equipped with the privacy glass, which I love, goes really nice against the grey paintwork. Also keeps it nice and private in the back of there if you do have passengers. Going into the back of the car now, has got the rear electric windows and full black leather, as you can see there. And at the back, obviously the back does have a rear fixed panoramic sunroof, but the front does have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which I'll show you now. So going into the front of the vehicle now, it is equipped with the auto dimming and the auto folding mirrors. Same with the interior mirror, this is an auto dimming mirror as well. Now this car does come with park assist, and it also does come with cruise control and adaptive lane assist. Coming down here, you've got all the controls for the entertainment system. It does come with navigation. It also does have the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. Now, this car is equipped with the Burmester speakers and the heated front seats. As you can see, it's got the full auto electric fronts here with 3 different settings. If you've got 3 different drivers that in here, you've got 3 different memory modes there. You've got multiple drivers. You've got all the steering wheel controls here. Also, you've got the floppy paddles on the steering wheel. Gears. And what I'll do is I'll give you a quick demonstration now. The sliding pan sunroof. So you've got the tilt, and if you click it again, you've got slide fully open there as well. Coming down the center console here, you do have your dynamic settings. So you've got your driving mode, you've got your comfort, your sport, and your individual. So the individual you can set yourself. You can sort the steering, suspension, and everything like that. Really is a stunning vehicle. If you'd like to find out any more information on the Mercedes GLC, please give us a call or drop us an email. Thanks for watching the video, and you have a lovely evening. Thank you. Bye bye.